Hello! I am going on a little hike today. Oh, sleepy baby. Yo, the tide is so high. It looked like it even came over this little wall at some point. Finally shade! This whole way has been in the sun. I feel dehydrated already. And I've only just begun. Anyway, I think we've reached some point. Excuse me, sir. May I pass? It's a big boy. Hi. You're very cool. I wish I was as cool as you, actually. There's even benches here. I'm just gonna recharge my energy here for a bit. And then maybe check out this other little spot. We're now at Playita. And then there was just two blue-footed boobies flying over me. I think we can see more over there. I'm gonna walk there. I just need a minute to chill. I feel better now. Had 2 muesli bars, drank some water, chilled a bit, and now there are more clouds and more wind, so I feel like my system is recharged. I'm gonna go to this tunnel thing. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's just a whole cuddle nap party. So cute. I remember the first time I ever saw the marine iguana on the beach. I literally thought I found a dead one because of the way they just nap in every position, and they just look like, you know, it's like face in the sand. I literally thought they were dead. It took me a minute to figure out that no, this is actually how they all sleep. They just, I don't know, they're just chillers, you know? They just know how to chill everywhere. And I respect that a lot. So now they're one of my favorite animals. They're so cool and cute. Look at this huge cactus tree. I think it's called Opitia or something. It's huge. Hey buddy. You look very cool on your little rock. Oh. Oh my god. They look very funny. The way they walk. Okay, we've reached Playa del Amor. I really like this volcanic landscape meeting the sea kind of concept. It's really cool. My babies napping as always. What is... Are those the blue-footed boobies? Oh my god. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my god, yes. It's them. It's so many of them. They are very, very blue-footed. Oh wow, this is so cool. Are you kidding me? I can't believe this place is real. I feel like I'm in a nature documentary. Sick. This is so sick. There was a cute little side quest, and now I'm officially on the way to the tunnel del Estero. Oh my god, what was that? There's so much stuff moving here. What the hell? Who are you? Oh my goodness. It's a huge grasshopper. I really love this walk. That's... Just look at that scenery. That looks unreal. It looks like a different planet. Oh, pelicano. little friend. Hi. Oh, that's the tunnel. Thousands of years ago, this tunnel was a river of lava flowing down to the sea. The outer part cooled and hardened while the magma inside still, what does it say? Molten? Still molten liquid? Is that a word? I think so. Molten liquid rock continued down to the ocean. That is hectic. Should we go down? I feel like we should. I don't know if you're supposed to, but it looks a bit broken. Oh my god, it's so quiet here. I can't even hear the waves anymore. Yo, that's so sick. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's so crazy to imagine that this all was liquid once. Oh my god, I did not see you guys there. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't want to wake you up. There's a bird sleeping here. Is that a pelicano? I don't want to disturb him. It's kind of the only way to like. I'll try to go down the edge so I can walk around. Let's see if that works. It's a bit sketchy. My hiking boots. Shit. Let go of me. Thank you. We're good so far. He's watching me, but he's chill, I think. I'm being watched. Okay, I think I'm far enough now. I can go up again. Yeah, what I was saying, isn't it crazy to imagine that this was all lava once? Actual liquid lava? That's crazy. And now it's just here. There's a million tiny crabs everywhere. I don't think we should go much further because the waves are a bit crazy here. Hello again. I just saw there's another viewpoint thingy and like 10 minutes from here. So I think I'm gonna check that one out. Now that it's finally less hot. I mean, it's still pretty hot, but you know, at least it's not cooking me. Yo, that was so cool. I just love seeing all these animals everywhere. It makes me so happy. I wish the whole world was like this, you know? That there's animals everywhere. I guess it used to be like this at some point until humans came along and decided to destroy everything. That does not look very healthy. That looks proper nasty, man. It's like a soup, bacteria soup. Oh, look at those fruits. What does that even mean? Iguanas in 100 meters? They're everywhere. Was it a huge one? I am intrigued. I want to know what that means now. What? It's not iguanas, but it's like a million birds. What the? What is going on here? It's our blue-footed friends. Wow, okay. This seems to be the buffet, the snacking spot. Oh my god, it's so hectic. There's gotta be some really nice food in there. There's the iguana, the sign did not lie. And another one. I love how they're just sitting there like, I have nothing to do with this mess behind me. Hey mister, are you the famous iguana from the sign, perhaps? I've heard rumors about you. Are they true? Are you the coolest iguana in town? On this island? Oh, I take that as a yes. I think it's him. Oh, you're coming really close. That's so cute. Hi. You're really adorable. Oh my god. Oh, look at you. And you have a tiny little smile. Oh my god. You are the cutest iguana ever. You won't believe what I just found. I'm just walking here casually, and then I look straight and there's this buddy. There's a giant tortoise here. Hi. It looks tiny on the screen, but it's actually really big. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, you have a very wide head. Stay away from the little apples. Machineel trees. Oh, they're irritating and poisonous. Only giant tortoises can digest these poisonous little apples. That is crazy. Is it this tree? Would make sense because the sign is right there. I don't see the little apples, but wow, good to know. Thank you, sign. What the heck? Looks like a portal. I can literally hear the mosquitoes everywhere around me. So enjoy the 2 seconds of this view. I'm gonna get out of here. Someone left their socks, by the way. If you see this, your socks are here. In the middle of nowhere. On a bench. In 1 hour the sun's gonna set. So yeah, I'm walking back now. I need at least an hour, probably longer, because I walked a lot more than the initial 45 minutes. That was the first spot, and I walked a lot further. So yeah, it's probably good to go back. And yeah, it was really cool. And there were actually, I mean, the path keeps going for a while. I don't know how much there's to see, but I saw there's also like a Camino de Tortugas or something. So maybe next time I can actually go further, or take a bike even. It's very bikeable. Well, anyway, I hope you have a lovely day, and yeah, see you next time. Thank you for watching and adventuring and hanging out with me.